Hello everyone, we just arrived in Bibury Trout Farm and here is the entrance and we're gonna have fun, we're gonna explore the whole place here. In Bibury Trout Farm, alam niyo mga kapatid, this farm, it's founded in 1902. The Bibury Trout Farm is one of England's oldest working trout farm set in the historic village of Bibury, o tinatawag natin Bibury, in the heart of the beautiful Cotswolds. Yan. So, catch your own fishing. So, mamaya magta-travel po tayo. Pakikita ko po sa inyo yung view. You're gonna catch fishing now. Open ito sa weekends. Starting March, end of October 2020. And daily during Gloucestershire State School holidays up to 1st of September 2020. And there is come the ducks. Hello! Welcome to my vlog! Welcome to my vlog! Say hi everyone! Woo! Ang daming isda dito. Ayan. Hi to my vlog! Having some fun fishing. Shops and toilets. Picnic area. There we go, go, go. Ooh, look at that. Oh, more, more.
Dito ako pake.
Iikot po ako at kita iba-ibang fish ponds na nandito. Ito pong pakikita ko sa inyo, this large fish will be used as brood fish each, producing 3,000 to 5,000 eggs at each spawning. They weigh upwards of 3 leaves, 1.3 kilograms, and will be used for 3 years. They are approximately 3 years old and are selected by their shape and coloring. Ito po siya mga kapatid. Wow! Ang lalaki. Angel! Come on! Give them here! Ayan, pakakainin po natin siya ni Angel. Okay? You ready, Angel? Okay, go! Wow! Go! Go more! Ooh, look at that! Oh my! That's it! Thank you, Angel! Yay! Bibury! Bibury Trout!
Fishing!
Fishing, Aaron! Fishing! Come on, let's go fishing! Let's go fishing! Fishing! This is the fishing area. Biako! I'm doing your vlog. Yeah. Fishing time. Here you go. Because they're going to explain what to do in fishing. We're going to have our fishing in this area. Thank you very much. Right, we're gonna start fishing. Let's go, everybody. Fishing. Fishing time. Here you go. Let's have some fun. Now we're fishing. Let's get some fish.
I'm gonna steal Daddy's vlog. I'm gonna take some.
Ooh, lovely. lovely one. Here you go.
Daddy, can you
with the
hold our
fish
camera?
and the fish. We got the fish. Dito na po tayo sa area ng fishing at makikita po ninyo, kami pong lahat ay manguhuli ng isda. At let us see kung paano sila manghuli ng isda. Here you go. Ayan. Yung lahat ng mga isda. Ito, may nahuli sila. Look. Wow.
Ủa là không được ném nó từ ném nó dưới qua tờ hả?
Tức là phải giữ từ dưới qua tàu chứ không để nó quay ra thì nó phải nhảy.
Bị sợ.
Bakit nila baka
Wala pang huli.
Wala pang huli. Wala pang huli.
Let's move here. You got one. Where? Where? Asan?
Sa bakit?
Oh, he didn't video. Wow. Look at that. Angel got one. Woo. Well done. Angel, well done. Well done. Woo.
Hold it. You get one more? Are you happy with that one?
Hello guys, Angel got one fish na. Yes, hold on, I'll video it. Hold on.
Put it down, put it down.
No, wait.
You have to kill it.
You have to give it, okay. Yes. Wait.
Flip it.
Yeah.
Okay, mate. Just like that.
Wow, well done, Ariane.
You can do it, Casey.
Alright. Are you left-handed? Yeah. Step over it.
Yeah, look.
Grab him. Get one. Put him there. Hold hard.
Ariane.
Yay!
Yan, nakahuli siya ng isa. Tinuturuan siya. Nakadid it. Yay! Yay, well done.
No, that was already. That's probably broke up. Oh, sorry. It's probably bounced.
Nakahuli si Ariane. Yay! Well done. They catch up already. Well done. So ganun manghuli ng isda. Very simple, no? Step 1, 2, 3. Yun lang. Lagay mo lang yung panghuli. Ha? Yung tawag dyan? Pangbingwit?
Pangbingwit. Bait.
Bait na tinatawag nila. Maglagay ka ng ano nilalagay natin doon? Tapos ibabagsak mo siya sa tubig. And then you started to catch the fish. Well done, Ariane. Well done. Yay. Yes, the fishing is finished. After fishing, we are going to pay. Babayaran natin yung isda, mami, na nahuli, di ba?
Yes.
Yes, babayaran namin ang isda. Here you go. Yan. After na mahuli po yung isda, nandito na po kami sa barbecue station. So here we go.
Gating station. Paglilinis.
Paglilinis ng isda. Here you go. Cutting station is this. Cutting station, gutting. Here you go. Yan po. Inihiwa po niya. Ayan, kakainin mamaya. At ito naman, barbecue. At ito naman yung barbecue station. Here you go. Wow. Kumpletong-kumpleto dahil meron siyang playing area sa mga kids, sa mga children pag nandito po sila. So you can go in this place. So nice area to be within one day. So nandito na lahat. Pwede ka mag-barbecue, pwede ka manghuli ng isda, maglaro, relax, and do everything. So this is the playing area. Here you go. Hi, Hi everyone. Harry. Hey, say hi. Hi everyone. Yay. Hi. Ow.
Ready? One, two, three, yay!
Mango. It's lunchtime para sa trout na isda na nahuli namin.
Kilawin na trout.
Kami
Yeah.
na trout.
Yeah, fresh from the farm.
Fresh from the farm.
Ikot na. Ikot na lang kayo, ikot.
Okay,
Sanitizer, sanitizer.
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 Sino may birthday?
Ikot mo na.
Hindi na kala sumasaw sa suka. Yun na.
Ano ang lovely trout? It's time to eat.
Pag yun ang ibang kulay nila.
Before we eat, ay syempre yung tayo magpasalamat, manalangin sa lahat ng mga biyayang tatanggapin natin sa ating Panginoon. And this is the most important. Yung tayo magdasal sa mga biyaya na ating tatanggapin sa ating Panginoon. Amen. Thank you. Thank you for the fish trout na nahuli.
Can you try this?
Ano na yung trout fish? Nice. Ang sarap. Fresh from the farm. Makain po ako. It's feeding time for the trout fish. Here we go. Feeding time. Ready? Go! Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, here close. Oh, look at that. Lagyan mo.
Is there no bag? There was nothing here. Hey, look, you make it back.